South 24 Parganas in West Bengal, where a team from the centre is currently visiting the Partha Pradama area, which had been blocked due to the cyclone Amphan, where nearly 80 lives were lost because of the devastating cyclone that happened in the last week of May. We have Suragini with us with more details, as was promised by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, that central teams will be deployed to the state of West Bengal that had the maximum damage that was caused because of the cyclone Amphan. So, Ragini, can you give us the details of the centre team that arrived there?
Well, the central team, the 7-member central team arrived last evening with over here in Kolkata, and today morning they were on their way to South 24 Parganas. South 24 Parganas has been one of the worst hit areas of Bengal due to cyclone Amphan that hit West Bengal almost 2 weeks back. The Prime Minister himself was over here, and over there he had clearly mentioned, when the Prime Minister and the Chief Minister did a small press conference at North 24 Parganas 2 weeks earlier. He had clearly mentioned that a team will be arriving over here in West Bengal to take account of whatever the ground realities are. Secondly, this team will go back after 2 days back to Delhi. Over there, they will submit a report to the Ministry of Home Affairs, and following which there are expectations from the state government that more grants, financial grants, will be allowed by the central to the state. But to our viewers, let me just clarify once again that the Prime Minister had granted around 1,000 crore rupees specifically to West Bengal in the backdrop of this massive cyclone that hit West Bengal almost 2 weeks back and took almost 80 plus lives. Back to you.
All right, Suragini, thanks very much for the information. So 7-member team of the IMCT from the central government side arriving in South 24 Parganas in West Bengal, which actually bore the maximum impact of the cyclone Amphan that hit the state of West Bengal in May. Let's move on.
Hi everyone, this is Arnab Goswami, and I want to talk about our digital platform Republic World, the fastest news destination which has got you covered on all fronts, be it politics, entertainment or sport. And the reason I want you to follow Republic World is because for far too long there has only been negativity about India on the digital medium. Republic World is my campaign against the negativity prevalent on social media and digital media. So for the first time, I offer you a choice. Get the content that builds the nation. Avoid the content and avoid everyone on digital media who speaks against the nation. And do not forget to download the Republic World app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching. Together, let's kill the negativity against India on the digital media. Let's ensure that it's truly nation first, no compromise.